Whatever you do, remember to keep it on the level. I'm Danny Lipford with Tips for Today's Homeowner. After the break, we'll talk about how important it is to start out on an even plane for flawless flooring right after this.
Temperatures are warming up, but we're making it easy for you to chill out with our Today's Homeowner Beat the Heat giveaway. Enter now for your chance to win an Arctic Cove misting kit, the perfect solution to keeping things cool this summer, whether you're working around the house or lounging by the pool. The prize pack also includes some Stay Cool Today's Homeowner gear, perfect for your next barbecue or trip to the beach. Enter today at todayshomeowner.com/giveaway.
Many homeowners are tackling do-it-yourself flooring these days, and one of the more popular options is a ceramic or porcelain tile. But if your home is on a slab and you discover indentations in the concrete, it's important that you take steps to create a smooth, level surface before the first piece of flooring goes down. Otherwise, you'll wind up with an uneven finished floor, as well as the possibility of unsightly cracks developing. A 6-foot level is a great tool to find low spots in your slab, and once identified, you need to get rid of them. The easiest way to do that is to use a self-leveling compound, which is a masonry powder mixed with water that you pour onto the low spots to quickly fill in any indentation. Once dry, you'll have a level slab ready for your new flooring. I'm Danny Lipford with Tips for Today's Homeowner.